Hello everyone, today I will show you how to remove video background in Canva. And here's how it is done. Start by logging into Canva and opening your project. Upload the video you want to edit by clicking on Uploads and selecting your file. Once uploaded, drag the video onto your canvas. Next, select the video by clicking on it. On the top toolbar, look for the Edit Video button and click it. If you're using Canva Pro, you will see the Background Remover option. Click it, and Canva will automatically analyze your video and remove the background. This process might take a few seconds, depending on your video length. Once the background is removed, you can customize your video further. Add a new background by dragging an image or video onto the canvas and adjust its placement or layering. If needed, refine your video by trimming, resizing, or adding effects and text. Review your work to ensure it looks polished and professional. Finally, when you are satisfied with the result, click Share in the top right corner, select Download, and choose your preferred format, such as MP4. With Canva Pro's background remover, you can easily create a clean, standout video in just a few steps. And that's everything you need to know about how to remove video background in Canva. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.